So I got to wondering why the goats are the only ones that had a tree house. Did something to fix that.
There are many Tentsile quote-unquote reviews online, but I don't like how fake they all are. Tentsile has two programs, the Ambassador program and the Affiliate program. The Ambassador program provides free tents to creators in exchange for content. The Affiliate program provides a link that the creator gets a kickback at 10% when they shill the tents. It's a brilliant marketing strategy. In fact, there's an excellent case study exploring how Tentsile has done viral social media marketing. The unfortunate result of this is there aren't any honest reviews. I purchased all of these tents. They were the discounted used models. These are sold as portable tree houses. As a house, I figure it should be possible to live in one. I'm going to camp in this every night I'm home this summer. My hope is to learn the good and bad elements of this line of products and share this with you without the BS, frankly. These used models are totally indistinguishable for something that's new. In my opinion, they're a great bargain. Tentsile holds camp-in events. I think these are probably tents that were used at these events that they're then reselling. I'd be shocked if they've been used more than once before I got them. They show absolutely no sign of wear. They're a bit fiddly to set up. It takes a couple of goes at it to get them level and tensioned properly. Just take your time and you'll get it. In all the marketing, they never build their stacks laterally like this. It seems more practical to me than a vertical stack. I think they do it because the vertical stacks photograph better than the lateral stacks. But I don't like the rope ladders you see in those photos. They're very difficult to climb, and I'd avoid them if possible. I got ratchet extenders when I bought the tent. They're definitely worth it because they allow more versatility when setting this thing up. With only one strap, this end of the tent sagged too much. By triangulating with a second strap, I made the structure a lot more rigid. The upper strap isn't particularly taut, it's just tight enough, and when you get into the tent, it tightens up a lot more. I got this rope ladder on Amazon. It came out to be much cheaper than the one from Tentsile's site. This hanging fire pit baffles me. I don't know who it's made for. I'll have to do a review on it later. I staked down an old welding blanket to catch any stray embers that might fall out of this thing. I'll also have a water can nearby when we use it.
If you're building a tensile stack, one of the nice things that you can use a smaller tensile for is to build a construction platform in order to be able to access the ratchet and corner of the next layer of the stack. And then you can delete this part in order to have it floating in space and to free up the space down here, and people will be like, how did you get up there and tighten that? Well, secret, construction platform. So this is the beer drinking area. We got cup holders and such. It's got a real good view of the valley down there. Above the beer drinking trillium, we've got a T-mini mesh to provide shade over the beer drinking spot. Really like it. It also doubles as a crow's nest and gives us the best view of the valley. Coming under here, we got a fire pit and a couple of hanging chairs. Fire pit's hung off of the two tents here. There's a hammock for lounging. From the tent, I got a great view when I prop the door up. I've got the elastic to hold the rain fly out on a carabiner, so I can unclip that there and then tie it onto that to hold it out when it's in rain fly mode. But when I want the door open, I can clip it over there, keep it out of the way. I have the inner sheet in here with a sky pad. It's a pretty comfortable combination. I don't like how the inner sheet has a tendency to pull off at night, but the last night I stayed in it, I was a bit low on that tree, so it might be better tonight because I moved that up today and the whole thing's sitting a skosh more level. Here's the view from the crow's nest. It's hard to make it out, but there's a mine just down there on the hill. I don't think you'll hear it on camera, but you can hear the rock crusher running when you're here.